Hello students, as you know we are solving the IB Math A HL past paper questions, and from today we will be starting to solve the IB Math A HL May 2021 paper 2 time zone 1 past paper questions. So today we will be solving question 1. We are solving one question every day, and since it is paper 2 we are allowed to use the calculator. I'll be using the TI Inspire CX2 calculator. If you have the Casio calculator, you may use the Casio calculator as well. So question number 1, it contains 7 marks, and it says the following table shows the data collected from an experiment X and Y. So 2 sets of data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 data pairs. Okay. And the data is also represented on the following scattered diagram. Fine. The relationship between x and y can be modeled by the regression line of y on x with equation y equals ax plus b, where a and b belongs to the set of real numbers. Subpart A, write down the value of a and the value of b contains 2 marks. In order to find the values of a and b, we need the regression line equation. And for that, first of all, we have to insert the values in our calculator. Fine. So we come to this add less and spreadsheet. This is x and this is y. Coming to this cell, 3.3, 6.9. 3.3, 6.9. 11.9, 13.4. 11.9, 13.4. 17.8, 19.6. 17.8, 19.6. 21.8, 25.3. 21.8, 25.3. 21.8, 25.3. Okay, fine. Y values 6.3, 8.1. And let me check. 6.3, 8.1. 6.3, 8.1. 8.4, 11.6. 8.4, 11.6. 10.3, 12.9. 10.3, 12.9. And 13.1, 17.3. 13.1, 17.3. Fine, we have entered the 8 pairs of data. And now statistics, stat calculation, linear regression, mx plus b. You should be selecting this one and not this one. So mx plus b, in the question it is ax plus b, that means a is n. And x list will be x, y list is y. And save regression equation to F1. You may remember this. I would suggest you to remember this one because it is not needed every time, but you may need it. If you need it, then you may use it in future if you need it. You should be remembering that F1 refers to the regression line equation. Okay. And this is the regression line equation. The M value or the A value is 0.433157. Up to 3 significant figures, 0.433. So the A value will be 0.433. And B is 4.502. So 4.50 up to 3 significant figures. Okay. You may write this as up to 3 significant figures. The question paper has asked us to get the final answer up to 3 significant figures. So we come to the part B. Use this model to predict the value of y when x equal to 18 contains 2 marks. So the part B, y should be equal to, you may take 0.433. I'd like to take some more digits. So 0.433157. So let me take all of them. 0.433157. It is not ending over here because if I just click on this, you see it is continuing. I have taken up to 157 times 18 plus 4 because x is 18 in place of x, I'm writing 18 as the regression line equation is y equals ax plus b. So b is 4.5050265 equal to. So now we need a calculator. At calculator, 0.433157. 0.43317 times 18 plus, is almost not visible. Okay. Plus 4.50265. 4.50265. Enter. 12.2995. So up to 3 significant figures, we can take the answer to be equal to, y value to be equal to 12.3. So y is equal to 12.3. Coming to subpart C, write down the value, the mean value of x and the mean value of y. Fine. We again go to the spreadsheet and here we come to this cell and it is menu statistics, stat calculation. This time it will be one variable statistics because we need to find the mean value of x and the mean value of y separately. So it is just one variable statistics. Okay. So one variable statistics. Okay. And x1 list is the x. Frequency list is 1. So, okay. See, we have got this. and the mean value is 15. You have all the standard deviation, the sum total of all the x values, the number of data, mean x, max x, first quartile, median, third quartile, everything. But we are now interested in getting the mean value, only the mean value, it is 15. Okay, so mean x is 15. And what about the mean y? So let me this cell. And again, I do the same thing. Statistics, stat calculation, one variable statistics, number of lists one. Okay, this time we are interested in the y list. So fine. But one thing that should maybe confusing is even for the y list, they are giving the x mean and everything in x. So don't get confused. This is for y list. Because if you go to the left, you will be seeing this mean, the x mean, it is 15. Now, if you scroll to the right, you get the y mean, it is 11. Okay, this is y mean, not x mean. This, do not confuse between these two values. So y mean is equal to 11. Okay. Subpart D. Draw the line of best fit on the scattered diagram contains two marks. Scattered diagram is given. One thing that you should be knowing is the line of best fit will obviously be the graph of the regression line equation, okay, which is referred to by the F1. And another point is the regression line equation or the line of best fit will always be passing through the mean x comma mean y point, that is 15 comma 11 in our case. Okay, so we can first of all plot this point on our scatter diagram 15 comma 11. Let me mark it in red. 15 and this is 10, this is 11. Okay, so this is 15 comma 11 point. And you may sketch the line of best fit just by looking at these points. You know that roughly the number of points above the line should be equal to the number of number of points below the line. Above and below, the number of points above the line should be equal to the number of points below the line, and the distance from the points from the line should also be the same on either side. This is the rough idea that we have in order to sketch the line of best fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, all the 8 points are visible, fine. But if you want, since it is a paper 2 question, you can use the calculator to first of all check what is the actual line of best fit. So if you want, I can show you how to get that. Okay, so for that we have to go to the graphs, and this is graph, and we go to the scattered plot first of all. The x values will be, what is the menu, add graphs. I have done add graphs, graph entry, scatter plot. Yeah, this time it has come. X, and over here is Y. Enter. And then we go to window zoom fit. See, now you are having all the 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. And you need the line of best fit. So for that, we can go to the tab. Let me go to graph function. This time I take F1 because F1 stores the regression line equation. Okay. So I take F1, X, enter. So this is the line of best fit. We are seeing that the first 2 points are very close. In fact, the first one is almost on the line, not totally on the line, but very close to the line. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th point is almost on top of the line. The line is passing through the 6th point. So we are having this type of an idea of the line of best fit. Fine. So let us now sketch. And the line of best fit should also be passing through the mean x, mean y value. The mean x, mean y point. So we can sketch it. It will be very close to this point and it will be passing through the 6th point, almost passing through the 6th point. So this will be the line of best fit. Okay. Hope the line is not broken. Most probably not. Okay. So this is the line of best fit. And so we are done with the question number 1. And we meet again tomorrow with question number 2. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please do write to me if you have any doubt, any question in the comment area. I'll try to solve or give the answers as much as possible. Bye for now.